Okay, friends, it's time drive on wood again. Feels great. Still something to fix, but here we go in the nice weather. Some temperatures. It's really hard to film this video when driving. Now going to go a bit on a bumpier road to stabilize my shower bed, I think. Look a little on the railroad build here. I think they are going to make a bridge over the railroad and double rails it's going to be. Go to good church. Response really good on woodgas. Really good. Temps rising. If I had one more hand, I'm going to change this to Fahrenheit for you Americans, but I have to keep the steering wheel also. Bumpy road it is. If you could see the smile here. Ooh. Next video is going to be complete with startup and everything, but I didn't have anyone to hold the camera for me, so damn, the froster didn't work. Nice road, isn't it? This is a highway in my part of Sweden. Fort of the this one has died. I don't know what it's wrong, but doesn't yeah, now it, but who needs turn signal? BMW doesn't need anyone. Ooh, accelerating. Almost that I wonder if I have some gasoline, but no, this shows half, but it means empty. I know I have been standing sometimes. I don't know if somebody heard this, but the flap exhaust sound, I think it's mean I had to adjust the timing somewhat earlier. Stop, it can't mean me driving on wood. I must have some rights. Oh. There we go. Here looks like it living some eccentric madman driving on wood. Yeah. Little too high of a height. Well, that's okay. Check the temps. Illuminated, this is it's good. Here you are, Fahrenheit. The highest is directly after the gasifier. The top one is after filter, and this one is hopper temp. I'm going to fix this. I wanted hopper temp the first, and looks better. If I stop it now, there's going to be some smoke. Oops. Lucky this didn't. Yeah. Okay, that's all for now. Better video next time.